I skated a mode freestyle board that is 7.4 inches wide for an entire week. And here's what happened. So here's the mode freestyle board compared to a regular skateboard, not necessarily even a big skateboard. This is an 8.5 inch board. It's pretty standard in the skateboard industry today. And you can see that the mode board is a lot thinner and a lot shorter. I did some 50/50s on these tiny little trucks. Maybe I have probably 4 inches or so to grind on right there. So it was a little bit hard to lock into 50/50s. It wasn't as bad as I thought it would be for transition. I feel like with the tail guard, I get a little bit smoother pop and scoop. So if I'm doing 360 flips, I feel like this slides better than the wood on a regular board. So it's like doing 360 flip on like an indoor park or like in a garage where it's really slick, because you have a little bit easier scoop. So this is the only board that I brought with me on vacation. I stuck it in my suitcase. I wrapped it in a garbage bag so I wouldn't have to deal with all the dirt from the board getting on my clothes. I didn't want to bring a board on the airplane as a carry-on, so I just stuck it in my suitcase. Also, I want to point out some of the differences in the nose. So we've got this totally flat nose as opposed to a nose that curves up on a regular skateboard. There's not a lot of concave throughout the entire board, and the tail is actually pretty flat as well. With that, I also have nose and tail guards, so that actually brings the tail down even lower, so the distance when you're popping is even shorter. So you have a really quick pop. Even though I have bigger wheels on the freestyle board, the pop is a little bit faster. The trucks felt kind of medium tight to tight the whole time. There wasn't as much turn as there is. These are actually indie trucks. I didn't know that. Maybe that's why they grind so well. I feel like it skated decent on transition. It was really small. One thing I was kind of worried about the whole time was my front foot sliding off the nose and rolling my ankle, because there wasn't any kind of curve to the nose to hold you on. So I thought with some of those 3 flips that I could actually slide off. The board was nice and fast because it had Bronson bearings in it the whole time. I did some tweaks to the board. I removed the grip tape on the bottom that I had in my other videos, and then I put some rails on there. I actually took the riser pads off and the extra washers out of the inside of the wheel that I used to have for primo stall tricks. I think this video represents some of the best skateboarding that you've seen on this channel in a while. So maybe I should ride freestyle boards more often, maybe flatter boards or smaller boards, just more often for flip tricks. I think having that shorter wheelbase and just a shorter board in general made it easier for tricks that rotate like this, like a 360 flip. I even did some 3 shoves on this board. The wheels aren't bad, they slide. I did some power slides and some reverts on these wheels. The mode freestyle wheels are pretty good all around skate wheels. So I feel like for 50/50s on ledges, it would be better if it was totally flat on this side and maybe a little bit harder. But other than that, for most everything, it felt pretty good. I'm a bit brain dead right now from traveling. I've got a headache, but there's some good skating in this video, so stay tuned. So maybe I should actually consider skating a board with maybe a shorter wheelbase and kind of flatter kicks to simulate what I was experiencing with the freestyle board, because I really enjoyed skating that board for a week. I feel like it coerced me into doing more flip tricks than I normally would. You guys are probably bored with my same lip tricks on the mini ramp that I do every single day. I'm gonna start skating that board more, and having a smaller, lighter board might allow me to reintroduce flip tricks into my regiment, and maybe it will push me to learn more flip tricks and actually do some how-to videos on like hard flips or inward heels, laser flips, stuff like that I kind of stay away from right now, because flipping a bigger board around that much is hard. So I've got 2 YouTube channels that have over 1,000 subscribers now, so I'm really excited about that. I also make reviews on cameras and lenses on another channel. It's the next day, and I'm still tired. This trip really took a lot out of me. Maybe I'm just old.
Sell the kids for food. Weather changes moods. Spring is here again. Reproductive glands. We could have some more. Nature is a whore. He's the one who likes all our pretty songs, and he likes to sing along, and he likes to shoot his gun. He's the one who likes all our pretty songs, and he don't know what they mean. He don't know what they mean. I wish I was like you, easily amused. Find my nest of salt, everything's my fault. I'll take all the blame. Awkward seafoam shame. What else could I be? All apology.
You know what? I don't. They're really fast and annoying. They're loud. They hurt my head. I've got a headache right now. I've been traveling. Ah, there's birds everywhere. Oh, did you guys see that? It tried to attack me because I said I didn't like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, scroll through my channel, check out my other videos, and hit that subscribe button because I got a lot more videos to come. Thanks for watching.